Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the Skims Dolce Gabbana Bustier. So this is called the Body Bustier. It comes in black and it comes in leopard. We're going to try on the leopard today. And I picked this up in a size medium. This one retails for $199 and I realized after the fact that it is the same cut as the Skims body dress. Now I'm not sure about the leggings because I haven't picked those up yet and I don't think I'm going to, so let me know in the comments below what you think of the material if you've had the chance to try it out. Now I did really like the dress and I tried that on in an extra small, which I thought was a little tight, but depending on the style that you're going for, you can make that decision for yourself. Now I did pick this up in the medium because it was all that they had available, but I do actually think that it ended up working. Now the material, as you'll see, is thick, but it's not too thick. So the straps feel really sturdy. The front of the dress feels really pliable. The cups have that beautiful mesh on the inside that they had in the dress as well. And then on the sides, you're gonna have a little bit of boning just for a little bit of structure. So I thought that was really nice. You're not gonna have that boning all around, which I think is also really nice that you're not gonna have like too much restriction. I do think it feels really nice on. Now let's take a look at the tag so that you can really understand all of the care here. I hate when I buy something and then I realize it's dry clean only or things like that, or have to hang dry everything. So just keep that in mind. It does say that it is hand wash, which just makes sense. But I always wonder if, you can just toss it in on a delicate cycle. Now we'll take a look at that mesh that I was talking about and we will go ahead and try this on. Now I did try this with a black skirt. As I mentioned in a prior try on, I was on my way to golf, but I do think that this matched pretty well. Now, as I mentioned, this was the size medium, and I think my ideal size probably would have been a size small if I hadn't tried this on, but I thought it was really comfortable. I didn't feel constricted, and I felt like I had some space to kind of move. I also think that the bigger size gave me a little bit more length, so I was really happy for that because I don't usually love to run around with a huge bare midriff. That is all for this unboxing. Let me know if you have this, if you like it.